Hello everybody, welcome to at NEET Physics by Arun channel. In today's video, we are going to see an MCQ in the chapter Work, Power and Energy. What is the question that we are going to see today? This is the question. An engine pumps water continuously through a hose. Water leaves the hose with a velocity v, small v, and m is the mass per unit length of the water of the jet. What is this? This is small m. The small m is the mass per unit length of water of the jet. What is the rate at which the kinetic energy is imparted to water? This is the question. This question has been asked in the year 2009 in the AIPMT. What is this? All India Pre-Medical Test. Okay. So we have, as usual, 4 options. 1/2 mv cube, 3/2 mv square, and 5/2 mv square. So, rate of kinetic energy imparted. What does it mean? This is the kinetic energy Ke imparted in 1 second. That is why we divided it by time. Ke by time, Ke per second, both are one and the same. So this Ke per second is equal to 1/2 mv square. See, here we have capital M. This capital M and this small m are not the same, they are different. Okay? Let me explain. What is capital M? Mass, M is the mass of water transported in 1 second. See, water engine pumps water continuously through the pipe, through a hose pipe. So, mass of water transported in 1 second. That is like you are getting Ke per second in 1 second. This is capital M. Of course, V is the velocity of water that has been given in the question. Okay. Now, how can we find the value of capital M? Let us find capital M. So, already I told you that M is the mass of water transported in 1 second. And that M is equal to what? Small m into distance travelled by the water in 1 second. What is small m? Mass of water per unit length. Actually, water will not have any length or something like that. But when the water flows through a pipe of length 10 meters or 20 meters, whatever it may be, this m represents the mass of water that presents in the 1 meter of the tube. Okay? So for 1 meter of the tube, this m is the mass of water. But distance travelled in 1 second. What does it mean by the distance travelled in 1 second? What is the definition of velocity? It is the distance travelled in 1 second. So in that sense, distance travelled in 1 second is the velocity of flow of water. So if you multiply this distance travelled in 1 second by m, you will get capital M. So m into v. V is the distance travelled in 1 second. So now, once again, going back to the rate of K, it is Ke per second is equal. Already you have seen this one, half mv square, half capital M into v square. You substitute the value of capital M, that is equal to small m into v, half mv v square. It means what? Half mv cube. So your question is, rate at which kinetic energy is imparted to water is half mv cube. So in that sense, option A is the right answer. Okay. So you must understand the difference between the mass of water per unit length and also the distance travelled by water in 1 second. You must be able to understand the difference between them. Okay. So otherwise, this question is very simple. Okay, we will see some other question in the next video. Till then, thank you one and all.